I started here as a staff attorney in 1982. I've been proud that we've been able to provide comprehensive, quality legal services to Jackson County residents. We have a number of services, including family law. Those cases involve oftentimes domestic violence. And so it's critical that we provide a means to help families separate peacefully. One of our newer programs is the Immigration Law Project, that we're doing outreach into the community and helping young adults and high school students so they're not at risk of deportation through the DACA program. That's the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrival.
I've worked here at the Center for Nonprofit Legal Services for almost 10 years. For the last 3 years, I've been working with a statewide group of attorneys doing foreclosure defense, and this is really good work. We are helping people who were either adversely affected during the economic meltdown, they might have experienced a death in the family, but people who really are able at this time to keep their homes, but they absolutely need legal assistance to wade through all of the issues that they're having to deal with. So it's just really exciting and gratifying when you're helping people keep their homes. A lot of them have families, they might have children with disabilities, they might be elderly. So there's just really nothing more exciting than when you're able to help someone keep their home, because that's something we can all really relate to, having a sense of home. So that's why I love doing this work.
Let's see, I've been here with legal aid for a little over 20 years now. My area of practice is with Social Security, public benefits in general. My clients span the scope of people who are in nursing homes, people who are in assisted living, people who are applying for disability who can live on their own if they get the benefits. And my particular clientele, their ability to cope is really significantly reduced. And if you don't have adequate understanding of the complexity of what's going on, and you can't afford an attorney, you desperately need us.
I work in the public guardianship department as a paralegal. So our clients are mentally ill, developmentally disabled, or have had brain trauma, and they have no one else to advocate for them, and they're at risk for being taken advantage of, and they're extremely vulnerable. We step in to assure their safety and well-being by coordinating with different agencies and providers to make sure that they are safe and protected. We maintain an ongoing long-term relationship with our clients, and it is an immensely rewarding and satisfying job being able to provide this service.
I'm an attorney here at Legal Services. I work in the housing unit, and I've been here just a little bit over 1 year. I'm here because I really believe in this work, particularly in the housing unit. We're talking about the fundamental needs of our families in the community to have shelter, and to make sure that we have access to the justice system for all folks, not dependent upon whether they have money or power, but every last one of us. And that's part of our services here and our mission here at Legal Services.
I work with the immigration unit. We work with different types of immigration cases here. We do naturalizations. We work with abused women who try to get their residency through the abuse, helping get the people that hurt them behind bars. I also do the citizenship classes for the people that are working towards their naturalization, and that's something that I find fun and fulfilling because they are, most of them, older, and they still have that flame to learn and to try to do more for our community.
I have worked here at the Center for Nonprofit Legal Services for 16 years. I work in the housing unit. I do some of the elder law. I help with some of the administrative work and anything else that kind of needs to be done around here. I really want to thank the legal community for all the support they give our office and the whole legal services community. It's such important work, and it's wonderful to be supported like that. Thank you.
So it's a great place to be. We enjoy one another, and we're driven by the mission of access to justice. We've been very fortunate to have wonderful support from our community, and especially the attorneys that support the Campaign for Equal Justice. And of course, we can get back our Justice Cup. We're not going to release it to Lane County.